Once upon a time, there lived 3 little pigs.
Dun dun dun! Oops!
Oops, my piggies, you woke up in the night. Now I accidentally need you to stay. Oops, piggies, I love you.
3 little guinea piggies. There was Kit Kat Pig. No! That's right. And there was Jose Pig. And Blackie Jump Jump Pig. They all lived together happily with their mother, eating grass and eating grass and eating grass and eating grass 24/7. But one day she explained to them, which means
It is time for you to leave home to build your own lives.
the first pig to leave was Blackie Jump Jump. Blackie was really into food and everything edible, so she built her house out of tasty hay. But she'd forgotten to make her house strong enough to resist
The big bad wolf.
One day,
The big bad wolf.
turned up and said,
I will huff and I will puff and I will blow this house down.
and after washing her hair to look pretty, she did. Fortunately, Blackie Jump Jump escaped just in time, but the house of hay did not survive. The next little piggy to leave home was Jose Pig. Jose Pig was a quiet pig who spent more time listening than eating and therefore had heard of
The big bad wolf.
She thought she should make her house strong and wolf-proof. Therefore she used big pieces of hard wood. But after carefully blow-drying her gorgeous hair,
The big bad wolf.
came and said,
I will huff and I will puff and I will blow this house down.
and sure enough, she did. Fortunately, Jose was also able to escape unharmed. Meanwhile, organised Kit Kat had been busy building a house using the latest high-tech bricks. It had modern features like a front door and a chimney. Again,
The big bad wolf.
turned up, having curled her fabulous hair. When she saw the house of coloured bricks with all its modern features, she realised it was an estate agent's dream and that she would have to use all her puff to blow it down.
I will huff and I will puff and I will blow this house down.
But try as she might, this time she was out of luck and puff. The high-tech house made of bricks stayed put. Kit Kat was so proud to have built a strong enough house where she could stay safely out of reach from
The big bad wolf.
that she invited her sisters to live with her in her luxurious mansion where they lived happily together forever, eating grass and eating hay and eating grass and eating hay and eating grass and eating
Especially
hay.
Blackie.